A victory for restaurant owners who sued Anne Arundel County. Indoor dining will continue. Hello, I'm Lynn Bowie.
And I'm Tim Williams. The county executive agreed to allow indoor dining at 25% capacity as the Titan Hospitality Group dismissed its lawsuit. Judge William Mulford had prepared to make a decision this morning, but that is now not necessary.
There will be additional requirements for restaurant owners, and customers must be logged for contact tracing efforts if there's a positive case. The county executive says the metrics have changed and lower hospitalization numbers have now been projected.
And I want to congratulate all county residents for pushing these numbers down, for changing their behavior, not just in our county, but across the state. It's something that they and we believe is much more manageable than what they were looking at before. So the pressure is less to push the numbers down. We still want to push them down.
The county executive says if hospitalization numbers rise again, he would consider closing indoor dining in the future.
This announcement comes as the state reported 2,600 new positive coronavirus cases, bringing the total to nearly 274,000. Hospitalizations and the positivity rate increased, and 45 more people have died. The new coronavirus strain is now in the United States.
A Colorado man in his 20s is isolated outside of Denver. Now, this strain was first detected in the United Kingdom, but the governor of Colorado says the patient has no travel history. A medical doctor and member of the Biden-Harris Transition COVID Advisory Board says the variant is almost certainly in multiple states.
Governor Hogan says there have not been any signs of it in Maryland. He made comments on CBS this morning, saying his team is very concerned because it is much more contagious.
We haven't had direct flights from Britain. British Airways was flying into Baltimore Washington International Airport, but it was suspended back in March. We've got some pretty serious travel restrictions, but there's no way to stop the virus from sneaking across.
Medical experts do say it appears the new vaccine should be effective against this new variant. Now, Governor Hogan also says every single hospital, nursing home, and local health department has received doses of the vaccine in Maryland.
And now they just need to be administered.
It's not just sticking needles in arms. There's a lot of moving parts, and I think nobody is quite performing at the top capacity, and we've all got to work together to ramp it up.
Governor Hogan says his team is preparing in case Maryland faces the new virus strain.